After finishing the Portuguese Camino, we said goodbye to Santiago after a good night's sleep at Pension Rey Fernando and lunch the next day. A 3 p.m. fast train to Madrid awaited us. Our trip to Portugal and Spain was 6 weeks in total. We were due to fly out of Porto on May the 24th, so we decided to explore Spain. Madrid was first. A high-speed train took us the 600 kilometres to Madrid in just over 3 hours. Nothing like 200 km/h train travel. Spain has the second largest high-speed train network in the world after China. Roaring past cars on the highway felt exhilarating and made me smile. Okay, this is our apartment in Madrid. See that we have lived in here for 3 days, so I'm doing this, unfortunately, a little bit late. Let's have a look at it. And there's a Jenny sitting on the couch drinking vino. There's our view out the window. We believe it's one way they can't see us. It's now, what's the time? It's 9 o'clock. We go through here, into the bed. Everything's brand new. Very nice. And a little bathroom. Shower. With my shirt hanging up trying to dry. There we are. Whee! We used the metro to get around Madrid. At €1 per trip, the process was easy and cheap. We shared a ticket, scan it at the gate and then pass it back. Charge up the card at any metro station. If you are unsure, ask attendants at each station. Madrid is the capital and most populous city of Spain. The city has almost 3.4 million inhabitants and a metropolitan area population of approximately 7 million. During our 4-day stay, we took the opportunity to visit the Prado Museum, the Royal Palace, the Plaza Mayor and El Retiro Park. The Prado Museum is a museum and art gallery that features one of the world's finest collections of European art from the 12th century to the early 19th century, based on the former Spanish royal collection. Plaza Mayor, or English Town Square, is a major public space in the heart of Madrid. It was first built in 1580 to 1619 during the reign of Philip III. There is a bronze statue of King Philip III at the centre of the square, and it was created in 1616. Plaza Mayor hosted executions during the Spanish Inquisition. In the 17th century, Plaza Mayor became the central location for torture and executions. Those running the events in the plaza were very creative. Depending on your crime, you would die from hanging, burned at the stake, or various forms of unique torture. And of course, there was plenty of space for anyone who wanted to watch. Covering over 125 hectares and comprising more than 15,000 trees, El Retiro Park, recently named a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a green oasis in the heart of the city. In it you'll find all kinds of interesting monuments and gardens. Plan to spend hours here to explore and relax away from the city. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but certainly helps our channel. The Royal Palace of Madrid, a massive building characterised by luxurious rooms, houses rich collections of armours and weapons, as well as the most comprehensive collection of Stradivarius in the world. The Royal Palace is the official residence of the Spanish royal family, although now is used only for state ceremonies. The palace has 135,000 square metres or 1.5 million square feet of floor space and contains 3,418 rooms. It is the largest royal palace in Europe. The palace was initially built by Muhammad I, a Moor, and Emir of Cordoba between 860 and 880.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next instalment.